Orange County Restoration Services, and we are down in Palm Springs doing hurricane cleanup from Hurricane Hillary. This is a manufactured home. Water got under it and filled it up because this type of construction has what they call a pit, where the home is set into a pit. So down in what's called the belly pan is the insulation under the home, and it's got a waterproofing membrane under that. This is designed to help moderate the temp inside the house when it's hot outside. But when you have insulation under the home is set in a pit, and you get a flood, this is what you get. So we have to cut out the belly pan underneath this house, drain all the water out of it, remove all the insulation, because otherwise if we are trapping all this water in the insulation under the home, the water in the insulation will make a high humidity, which will cause mold to grow and continue to grow because the water can't get out.